Hello everybody, I am Mohammad Hussein of Little Star High School, hereby on a speech on teachers teach and touch life of their students. A teacher's influence, ideas, expectations on his or her students, their capability have an effect on the students, on their academic performance and their achievements, which make them to take the goal. When students are viewed in a negative way by their teachers, such as being lazy, unmotivated, having no abilities, they take on those beliefs about themselves. Teachers inspire by introducing them to heroes, old, new, making learning fun and new. And they share a mutual respect among all the students, which make them to inspire. And they convey their passion for the subject they teach. An inspiring teacher. A teacher with the ability to inspire teacher is the type of teacher who will be long remembered. Inspiring teachers, inspiring students is integral to ensure success, encouraging them to fulfill their potential. The qualities like they develop their relationship with the students. They have a patient, caring, and kind personality. And the main they do is the dedication of teaching. They engage their students in learning. By all these things, they take their students to inspire and make them encourage towards learning and make their learning fun and easy. Annie Sullivan is one of the most famous teachers in history, remembered for life-changing work to help a young blind, deaf, mute child, Helen Keller, to learn communicate with the whole world. A great teacher teach and touch the personal life and by appreciating them towards their academic goal achievement, make the students towards more further. A teacher is a role model. The role of a teacher is to create right environment and give right to encouragement, confidence, inspiration and appreciation to their students so that they are able to discover their true potential and become themselves. Each and every person is born with particular purpose and gift from the God. They need to be identified and these students are just identified by the teachers. Teachers are a significant part of everyone's life. A teacher's affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, instill a love of learning. A great teacher makes learning fun as stimulating, engaging lessons are pivotal to students' academic success. To teach is to touch lives forever. Teachers who love teaching teach children to love learning. The teachers are talented, excellent, adorable, charming, helpful, encouraging, and responsible.